But if I were to ask you great cardiac, I'd put it over here where you see it better.
That's the one you've told me that like 4 times. Right?
Yeah, these are, I don't know.
I think you have.
These are anterior interventricular, and then it's great cardiac.
Okay. Oh yeah, can we do that? Can we go where the coronary, where it changes names all the way around?
Okay, so here, this is the right coronary artery.
Okay.
Comes over like this.
I couldn't get that one out.
Oh, it's not supposed to come out.
Where would he say he has the greater cardiac right here?
Yeah, he said it would be.
There it goes.
It came off.
That's it. So, well, good, you're stronger than I am. Fine.
No, I just touched
I
it.
just barely touched it. We both did.
So, not anterior. This is right coronary artery,
Okay.
right marginal. Some people will say this is circumflex because circumflex it goes around, but really the only name where circumflex is applied is like over on this side,
Okay.
and it becomes the posterior interventricular.
Okay.
Okay, on this side, left coronary comes off there, goes behind the pulmonary trunk, gives off the anterior interventricular artery, and then its branches, passes underneath the edge of the auricle. Here's the only place you see left coronary.
Okay.
Then it gives off marginal, and then you have circumflex. Back to this. This is called an anastomosis because you've got blood coming from 2 different places flowing into the same vessel. So if this one got occluded, that one would at least keep things going. This is the middle cardiac vein back here.
Okay.
Usually this is called small cardiac instead of right marginal. We're not going to get all hipped up on that though. Okay, what else?
Can we do the interior also?
Say that again?
The interior.
Okay. So right atrium, auricle's on top. Superior vena cava comes in here.
And the atrium is really more the inside, not necessarily the
The atrium
it's
is
the chamber,
the atrium
right?
is the chamber.
Okay.
Auricle is like the overflow place
Okay.
in case more comes back.
Okay.
Okay, superior vena cava is fed by 2 brachiocephalic veins, and this is azygous back here. It's the only place you see it.
Okay.
Right atrium, that's the fossa ovalis.
Okay.
There's the opening to the coronary sinus. That's the coronary sinus back on that side. So blood comes into the right atrium 3 ways. Superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, which is this, and coronary sinus. Okay? Now we're going to go through the tricuspid valve, where my finger is. 3 cusps, 3 flaps. Chordae tendineae, they anchor into papillary muscles.
Okay.
Okay? And we go down into the right ventricle.
Okay.
Now, the ventricles have trabecular carnae in the wall, which are dimpled or ridge-like. They're called rough, but they're not rough like sandpaper. They're rough because they're not smooth like this. My fingers would make this a rough surface, but my fingers aren't sandpaper. So if you look here, that's the trabecular carnae, okay?
Okay.
And you pump out through the pulmonary semilunar valve
Okay.
into pulmonary trunk. That's one of the errors on this video whose link I'm going to give you, because they call it the pulmonary artery. It's not the pulmonary artery.
Is that right there, the
Yeah,
azygos?
No, azygos is this.
That one, okay.
Pulmonary arteries are the ones that tee off of the pulmonary trunk.
Okay.
Remember, pulmonary circulation colors are backwards.
Backwards.
Okay?
Okay. What is this little thing? I think we couldn't find a name on it anywhere.
The pulmonary trunk comes up and goes into 2 pulmonary arteries. So
okay, so they're both pulmonary arteries.
And they only show 1 on this side.
I gotcha. Okay.
Out to the lungs and back in 2 pulmonary veins, which are red. Openings to the pulmonary veins are in there.
Okay.
That would be the fossa ovalis. This is in the left atrium. Fossa ovalis on the left-hand side,
Okay.
which was this guy over here, right?
Okay. Same thing.
Yeah, I mean, that's just the detour for a fetus because there's no reason for the blood to go to the lungs in the fetus.
Right.
Gas exchange surfaces.
Okay.
Okay, then we're going to, that's the opening into the left auricle.
Okay.
Bicuspid valve, 2 cusps, my finger's in it.
Gotcha.
Chordae tendineae again. Big papillary muscle.
Okay.
Trabecula carne
Oh, gotcha.
and aortic semilunar valve.
Okay.
Openings to coronary arteries are going to be, I can't cut up into that. The only place you see it is on the sheet part.
Is there going to be any APR on the mini practical on Wednesday?
No.
Gosh.
Okay. I think that gets it on.
Coronary sinus empties into the right atrium.
Say that again?
The coronary sinus empties into the right atrium.
Yeah.
So that would actually be the entrance from the coronary
Yeah.
sinus as opposed
Opening-
to the entrance to the, I mean, just
Opening of the coronary sinus, from the coronary
from the
sinus.
coronary
Mhm.
sinus, okay.
What are the tricuspid and the bicuspid valves?
Tricuspid valve is right-hand side. Remember R, tri, R,
Oh,
right.
Yep, I wrote that on here.
That's the 3
That one.
flaps.
Okay.
Bicuspid, bi means 2. That's over on this side. What my finger's coming through, right?
Okay.
So remember, R, right, tri.
Okay.